fresh paint. Place the box here. Well, that little dot is. Place the box, just replace the solenoid as it fires up. She's old school, so you don't have an old pea hole. It's good for the well. It was blowing a gale, figured the wind would stop. Pump seems to be pumping good. Yeah, they're chugging away. Good enough. Good enough to me. Well, turn that water off. Don't need any more water. It's rain and flood around here as it is. Yeah, I had to rewire it. I got it real stuck. Got to do it. Rewire that depth finder. I went and turned her on. She wouldn't come on. Wire had broke on me. A little tiny thin wire to use. Break the fusible links. I'm going to replace all that. Let me get off here. A little smoky. Smells good though, I tell you that much. Smell I grew up with right there. An old 2-stroke OMC. I don't know how many of these I worked on as a kid. There's quite a few. It's a 1976 engine, boots a 78. So I gotta do some touch-ups on her and just kind of finish up a load of stuff. And I got new tires to put on her. Gotta get them put on her. But we're getting there. Ain't that right, Abby? We're getting there.